So I purchased this steering wheel lock for my 2004 STI, and just want to show you guys how easy it is to get through. I use maybe 1 or 2 squeezes to just cut it in half. This is one right here. Gets you through all the plastic. Don't mind the kitten. And it came right off. This got stuck in. This just broke when I was moving it back and forth trying to get it free. And it broke pretty easy too. I wasn't going nuts or anything. All this plastic that came off of it, I just used some wire cutters. Goes right through. If a thief really wanted to get in your car, he could just cut this hella easy and drive away with no seatbelt. But I am pretty mad that it broke because now this other piece of metal is stuck in my seatbelt. So I'm either gonna have to get it out or go to a junkyard now and get a new seatbelt for that car, which is kind of hard to find. But there's my review. Good luck with this product.
Alright, I'm doing a review of the KAYCENTOP anti-theft car steering wheel lock here. Just put it through. Put this through the loop. A little tricky with one hand, but I'm going to try to get this. Plug it into the into your seat belt, right there. Now it's in, and now I'm going to press the button, show that it's not coming out. Now, in order to take it out, there is this key. Put the key in, twist and turn, and there. While this is active, you will not be able to turn the steering wheel, even with the car on and everything else, until you take this out.
Hi, I bought this got it late April, and it was working great. Yeah, it worked great up until last evening. Tried to hook it up and this popped out. As you can see, have no clue how in the world it came out. I have no clue. Well, it just can't be fixed. I can't use it anymore, so it's kind of trash. So just beware. Thank you.